subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The ZTE's upcoming smartphone called Axon 10s Pro has been spotted on Chinese certification site TINA that reveals the complete design and some key specifications of the smartphone. Recently, the company has also revealed the official renders of the Axon 10s Pro and said that it will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset, which will come with dual-mode 5G support. The new ZTE Axon 10s Pro looks identical to earlier launched Axon 10 Pro, but both are internally different. Talking about the specifications, according to TINA listing, the ZTE Axon 10s Pro will feature a 6.47-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, the phone is confirmed to come powered by Snapdragon 865 chipset. The device is listed to pack with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Axon 10s Pro on the rear will come equipped by vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner that will include a 48MP primary camera plus 8MP secondary camera and a 2MP third camera. There is also a LED flash below the triple camera setup on the rear. At the front, there will be a 20MP selfie camera under the water drop notch. The smartphone is expected to run on latest Android 10 and it will come backed by a 3900 mAh battery. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is listed to measure at 159.2 by 73.4 by 7.9mm and it will weigh around 175 grams. Additionally, the handset will also support an in-display fingerprint sensor just like its predecessor. Now, talking about the release date. The ZTE is expected to showcase its upcoming flagship 5G phone as Axon 10s Pro at MWC that will take place on February this year. So, as of now, that's all we know about the ZTE Axon 10s Pro, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.